The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 10:45 p.m. At 9:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Belvedere to near Hampshire to Carpentersville, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elgin, Carpentersville, Algonquin, Sleepy Hollow, East Dundee, West Dundee, Gilbertson, Hampshire around 10 o'clock p.m. Streamwood, Hanover Park and Virgil around 10:15 p.m. Margaret, Wayne and Lily Lake around 10:20 p.m. Carroll Stream, Sycamore and DuPage Airport around 10:25 p.m. St. Charles, West Chicago, DeKalb and Delburn around 10:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include South Elgin, Barrington Hills, Burlington, South Barrington, Pingree Grove, Bloomingdale and Glendale Heights, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 38. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois. The following is a flood advisory from